So children, we will start today page number 87. ठीक है? So here is what is this Lali and Kali. We will read once again for those students who are seeing at home. जो घर से देख रहे हैं उनके लिए एक बार फिर से read करते हैं. Well, Lali and Kali. We are doing this one. Lali and Kali. So Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with rope. Kali has longer rope. Here you can see a picture. Okay, the pole is there. On you can see, two boards are there. They are tied with the rope. Suppose you can see here. I have a nail and tied two ropes. Okay, one is smaller and one is longer. So suppose that is Kali goat का rope है ये, and that is Lali. तो suppose वो यहाँ nail से बंधी है ना, यहाँ पे नहीं है, वो है ना nail से बंधी हुई है या pole है वो. So that is ये किसका है smaller? Lali का है ना. तो देखते हो कितना एक कर पाती grass circle बना के देखते हैं. So here suppose we are making circle like this. That is one hit करेगा इसमें rope को Lali, है ना? And that rope is Kali. Kali की थोड़ी लंबाई है. तो भी यहाँ पर जाएगी. तो difficult to show you, but so who can eat more? Kali eat more grass. Understood? Clear? So you can fill your answer here. That line has given. Okay? You have to write. You can write in your book. Book में भी note कर सकते हो. Kali can look for more grass. Right? Kali can look for. You can write in your book. You have space. Space है ना? You have space here. So you can write here. But write it properly, है ना? Kali can look for more grass. Why? To eat. Because he has long rope. उसकी रस्सी long है. Rope उसकी long है. Longer rope. Okay. As C as in longer rope. Now so here you see now here, okay, downside. What is this here? Daljit designs. Daljit has made these designs using a compass. Compass से you can draw these designs by using compass. I have shown to you. मैम ने compass दिखाया था ना? So can you make these design by using compass? Have you compass? Nobody have. So you bring it. We will show you. And I will show you how can you make the design by using compass. Circles draw करना है. एक circle इधर एक circle. A perfect circle. We can make perfect circle by using compass. Pencil लगा कर draw करते हैं. Yes. Now here, like that. This one also you can draw. I will show you in next class how can you draw this. So here, his sister came and started making more designs with him. This is the Daljit and his sister here. She came and she is making start more designs. And she makes like this. You can draw these designs by using compass easily. आप भी बना सकते हो. You can draw these, है ना? या बना सकते हो compass से. You can draw this. ठीक है ना? I will show you. If someone has compass, I will show you. Now page, next page is, this is the page number 88. Okay, what is there? Page number 88. What is this? What picture you can see here? Compass. है ना? Compass. This is the picture of a compass. Have anyone? किसी के पास है compass? Anyone has? Yes, this is the compass. Yes, this is the compass, and we can keep our pencil here a hole like that. ठीक है ना? Now we can type this page. है ना? Page है ना, इसको type कर सकते हैं. Okay? And this is the center. When we put this, suppose here, इसका जो point है, pointer है. आपकी सी का जो pointer है, ठीक है? This one, pin, pointer, we can put. That is the center. Center बनेगा. और ऐसे इसको यहाँ से पकड़ेंगे ऊपर से, ये वाला ऐसे यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे इस तरह से. सेंटर को चेंज नहीं करना है. सेंटर आपने हिलाया तो क्या होगा? इफ यू मूव द सेंटर तो आपका सर्कल डिस्टर्ब हो जाए, दूसरा सर्कल रेडी हो जाएगा, है ना? सपोज ये है, ये सेंटर है, ठीक है? यहाँ से मैंने यहाँ से ड्रॉ करना शुरू किया, सर्कल थोड़ा सा वो होता है, मिल जाता है. अब मैं कुछ काम करने से हूँ, है ना? अब मुझे सेंटर याद नहीं रहा, वापस आए, आपने छोड़ दिया, आपने तो ये मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया, ये सेंटर होगा, क्या होगा? सेंटर चेंज करते ही आपका दूसरा सर्कल क्रिएट होगा या आपका डिजाइन चेंज हो जाएगा, है ना? तो हियर that one you already seen that. How can you use compass? Look for a mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. Already I told you this mark is center of your circle. जहाँ पर इसका ये रखेंगे वो क्या होगा? सर्कल का सेंटर. जहाँ पे टिप होगा ना इसका, that is the center of a circle. Now is this circle better than the one you made earlier without a compass? Draw the radius of this circle and measure it. अब आपने इससे पहले जो सर्कल ड्रॉ किए थे, है ना? बेटर ना? क्या है? कंपास से बेटर होगा. The perfect circle you can draw this perfect circle. इससे आप परफेक्ट, अगर आप हैंड से बनाते हो, जिससे बनाते हो, किससे आप परफेक्ट बनवाओगे? कंपास से एकदम आपका परफेक्ट बनेगा. If you drawing by hand, ऐसे नहीं बना रहे, hand से, free hand. Okay, you can use compass or bangle. क्या ये सर्कल, कोई चीज भी सर्कल आप यूज कर सकते हो, like bangle, bangles है, plates है, कोई भी सर्कल things you can use to draw a circle. Now you can make your own design like Daljit and made. अब आप अपने डिजाइन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. How many did you make? कितने बनाए? You can draw your design like that. Can you draw this? Can you draw this? Try. So we will try. Now page number 89. How can we use the compass? Okay, na? Now page number 89. It is circle. Now here Naina was making a circle. Naina is a girl. She was making a circle. Okay. Ravi asked her for an eraser. Ravi एक boy है, उसने उससे eraser के लिए पूछा. She kept her compass and gave him eraser. उसने अपना कंपास रख दिया. अब देखो क्या हुआ, उसका सेंटर चेंज हुआ. She is making a circle and boy Ravi asked for eraser. He tell to her, give me a eraser. Now he kept his compass. उसने अपना कंपास रख दिया. Other circle he made drawn and he kept his compass. Then she started again and complete her circle. उसने फिर से अपना सर्कल करना शुरू किया. But she got this. But उसको कैसा सर्कल मिला? You see in your book. She got like that. Now, why did here guess करना है. Here written in guess. Why did Naina get such a drawing discuss? ऐसा उसको क्यों मिला बताइए. उसने सेंटर चेंज कर दिया. She changed the center. अनुराग, why did she got like circle? ऐसा सर्कल क्यों मिला? Why she got? Because center change हो गया ना. Because she kept the compass aside. उसने एक तरफ रख दिया. Again she started making it circle. So she changed the center. Center उसने पहले कहाँ पे रखा था? Then she came up and changed the center to circle will be changed. And she got drawing such as. Can a circle have more than one center? एक सर्कल का एक से ज्यादा सेंटर हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकेगा. अगर एक सर्कल के ज्यादा सेंटर होंगे तो नेक्स्ट सर्कल विल बी क्रिएटेड, दूसरा बन जाएगा. क्लियर है? कोई भी सर्कल है उसका एक ही सेंटर होगा. दूसरा सेंटर करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट सर्कल आ जाएगा. देखिए, उससे अलग करेंगे तो दूसरा सर्कल आ जाएगा. तो हर सर्कल का एक ही सेंटर होगा. ये ध्यान रखने के सब. Another day, Naina was using a compass to make circle, but it came out like this. अब उसने क्या किया? Another day. फिर उसका ये she is making this one. So what did the? Yes. So अब उसने सेंटर चेंज किया था ना, तो उसने उसका सर्कल चेंज होने लगा. Did any one of you ever get a shape like Naina's? आपको भी कभी ऐसा शेप मिल सकता है. यस, अगर आप सेंटर चेंज करोगे. यू आल्सो गेट दिस लाइक नैना. नैना जो गर्ल है उसकी तरह आपको भी ऑब्वियसली सर्कल मिलेगा, है ना. सो यू विल राइट गेस. गेस जहां पे कर रही थी, व्हाई डिड नैना गॉट सच ए ड्राइंग डिस्कस. सो यू राइट योर आंसर. यू विल राइट Naina got. Just you write. Drawing. As she had changed the center of the circle. Change the center of the circle. You can write in notebook. Next, क्यों मिला उसको इस तरह का ड्राइंग? Because it changed the center. Okay. Now number second question है. No, a circle cannot have more than one center. No, a circle. Answer. Yes, you can write. Answer is given in the book. You can write from the book. Book में है वो आंसर ही है. क्या है? Why did Naina got such a drawing? है ना? This is question is given. That is the question. You just saw it. That is the question. Why did Naina get such a drawing? You see, beta. Sit. What pencil? Yes. Can a circle have more than one center? This is the question. Question is given here. I am writing the answer there. Understood? Question given in your book. You can read it. So, no, the circle cannot have more than one center. You write the question from the book and answer I am writing. Okay? एक सर्कल का कितना सेंटर हो सकता है? Only one center. Now next question है. दो ही क्वेश्चन है ना? नहीं, एक है. Did any one of you, that star है ना? Did any one of you ever get a shape like Naina's? Yes. Yes. हाँ, किसी को भी हो सकता है. Yes, I got the shape. I got the shape like Naina. कब मिला आपको ऐसा शेप? कब मिलेगा? Yes, when you change the center. Anurag, when did you got the drawing such as like Naina? Naina के जैसे कब मिलेगी आपको drawing? When you will change the center of your circle, you will get the drawing such as Naina. Okay, clear?